Hello ddg1003. It's Tuesday, so I'm doing my weekly recording. Remember, semester starts on Wednesday. Good job so far. Don't forget about the discussion board so that we can have some weekly interaction participation as we pace through the course here. Remember, we're still in Photoshop. We're tackling 3 software applications and 3 books in the course, and we're in the first 2 weeks of the Adobe Photoshop book. Remember, week 1, as I scroll down in the announcements, we're doing the first few chapters in Photoshop. They're step-by-step, simple little projects. Shouldn't take you longer than 30 minutes or so, maybe 45 minutes for each of the projects. To kind of get you introduced into the raster-based world design of Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to go ahead now and click on our coursework link. Remember that our first 2 weeks are balled up into one folder as we tackle, in essence, the first 4 chapters in the book. Week 2 is always all about the out-of-book project, so you can do a little carryover of the week 1 first 4 chapters if you need to, because we're only doing an out-of-the-book project for week 2, but try to kind of keep it where you're doing the book projects in the odd weeks and the out-of-book single project in the even weeks. So we'll go ahead and click on the week 2 homework folder, and we'll be doing a gum advertisement. So you'll use the skills of the basic selection tools that you did from the first few chapters in the Photoshop book, and you're to generate an out-of-book design. The specifications are right down here for you to set up in your file new inside of Photoshop. We're just doing the basic learning of Photoshop so far, so don't get overwhelmed. I'm not looking for anything, amazing from multiple images. I'm just looking for the rough ideas of being able to select and bring images together. This is a fun out-of-book project. It's the gum advertisement. You can take pictures that you find. It's an educational project, so you can go out onto Google Images and type in the images you're looking for, and you can use those pictures to make your design. We're just in the baby step process here at Photoshop, so I'm just looking for basic image composition, kind of see how you do with it. Based on the step-by-step projects we did in the book. Like I said, the odd weeks are the book projects and the even weeks are the out-of-book projects, so if it takes you a little bit into the even week to complete the book projects before you tackle this out-of-book project, that's okay. Just make sure that you're sticking with your discussion boards and you're plugging along, because that's how we do our participation, so I can see that we're interacting as a teacher and students and get you continuing to learn about this world of design. Good job so far. We're going to keep plugging along here and see if you can get that design bug, if you don't already have it, with the enjoyable process of doing design. If you're coming to campus, remember that the computers in all of the IT labs and all of the computer labs have the Adobe software on it, and the computers in the library have the software as well. So you can go to either location if you don't have access to a computer at home. I'm on Blackboard IM, so if you ever want to chat live with me, kind of as you're tackling things, I seem to be on the computer, it feels like 24 hours a day. I'm definitely there all day, and I'm also there in the evenings after dinner time, except for Wednesday nights because I'm teaching a class, so I'm not online Wednesday nights. But the other nights I am, so if you want to shoot me an instant message or you want to chat about something, please ping me on Blackboard IM, and we can have a discussion or a little conversation or just interact so that you can get a little more comfortable in our Blackboard environment. I'm here. You can also email me any questions to my email address, which is on the syllabus and in our syllabus section of the course. And you can also send me preliminary work. If you're working on something and you just want to get my feedback, please feel free to shoot me an email. It buzzes my iPhones. I have 2 of those. It buzzes my iPad. I have 1 of those. And it buzzes both of my MacBook Pros, so I'll be quick to respond to you. The only time it takes me a little bit longer is if I'm in class. And this semester I'm in class Wednesday nights. Other than that, I'm available and we can interact. So great start to the semester. I hope you're kind of getting in and getting your feet wet and getting comfortable. I try to overload you with information in the courses. Here's one of the students' designs. Here's another one. Here's another one. So I try to give you lots of stuff so that you can kind of get into the process of feeding your brain with design. Oh, I did also put a quiz in here for the first 4 chapters. It's not timed and it's open book, so go ahead in your Photoshop book and you can open it up and you can go through. I allow notes on the final, but I don't allow your quiz printouts on the final, so make sure you're taking notes of any of the definitions I'm asking during the quizzes, because what I do for the final is I take between 75 and 125 of the quiz questions. I set them in random order and I put them out there for you to take online using ProctorU, which is our proctoring service online. I hope you guys are having a great first week. Like I said, I love design, so I'm here for you. I'm here to help you learn. I'm here to maybe give you that bug for design if you don't already have it. It feels like I'm doing design all the time between my freelance design business, my teachings, and my interaction in class. So keep up the good work. Okay, bye.